Good morning. It's Monday, November the 4th, and it's the first day after time change. And I was listening to the radio. There seems to be a popular conversation on if the time change actually screws you up, makes you feel worse. I feel great today. We've got amazing sunshine. Can't really see it too well. Oh, there you go. It's cold, like it's freezing. I woke up this morning and it was like 30 degrees. And we're just outside Halifax, Nova Scotia. So northern hemisphere weather. But this is it. This is when it starts to get cold. And if you look around me, there are virtually, I don't know if you can see it good, no leaves left on the tree. My cheeks look a little red, but I think that's more, anyway. So does the time change screw you up? I guess is my question. Me? No. But others, it seems so, yes. Hope you have a wonderful day. I wanted to show you a bit of nature. I'm going to go on my walk. I typically listen to either books or music. Lately it's been good books. And hoping you get a chance to get out in nature. Take care. Bye-bye.